In this video, we'll walk through how to configure an MCP server and connect it step by step inside ChatGPT. To start, open your settings and go to Integrations. Here, you'll find the MCP server URL. Copy this URL. We'll use it in the next steps to connect ChatGPT. Now switch to ChatGPT. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Advanced Settings. Enable Developer Mode. This allows us to create custom apps. Give your app a name so it's easy to recognize later. For this setup, we'll use no authentication. Review the details and click Create to finish setting up the app. Once the app is created, open it to see its configuration. Here, you can view the server connection details and all available actions exposed by the MCP server. Your MCP server is now connected and ready to use inside ChatGPT.